Okay, I have to be honest with you. On this one, I don't know how to work it. Um, I'm not the best at combinatorics. Um, I don't know how to set this up, but I'll show you how to get the correct answer. It's not the best way, but you'll see it. Um, okay, 10 businessmen meet at a convention, and everyone exchanged business cards with everyone else. How many exchanges were made? Okay, and I won't read notes again. I'm just having trouble with my mind around it. So we got 10 business people. And we put numbers here to indicate the business people. Now, the first business person could exchange a card with the second one. First one could exchange it with the third one. Could change it with the fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one, ninth one, or the first person could exchange it with the 10th one. So here's one set. Here's another set. So there's a total of 9 there. Because if I look at the pairings, I'd have 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 1 and 5, 1 and 6, all the way down to 1 and 10, which is 9 of them. Okay, now the first one's handled. The first person has exchanged cards with everybody else. So now the second person can exchange cards with the third, with the fourth, with the fifth, with the sixth, with the seventh, with the eighth, with the ninth, and with the 10th. And if you were to write down all the pairings here, what you'd see is there's 8 of them. Now the first person and second person are taken care of. So we're looking at the third person and who they're going to exchange cards with. They're not exchanging cards with the first person and second person because that's handled up here. Here, 1 and 3 are exchanging cards. Here, 2 and 3 are exchanging cards. So 3 can change cards with 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or 7. Now, as we go through this, that was for number 3. If I did 4, this would be 6. If I did 5, pairing with 6, 7, 8, and so forth, this would be 5. Sixth one, paired with the rest, would be 4. 7th, paired with the last 3, that'd be 3. 8, paired with the last 2, would be 2. And, out of space. The 9th one can only be paired with the number 10 at that point. So that's 1 pairings. So it looks like we're adding all the numbers from 9 up to 1. So there's a plus in between each one of these. Now I know the idea is that you use a combination in some form on this, but I couldn't figure it out. So brute force, we have 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, and that gives us 45 as our answer. Now, I didn't try to change numbers on this since I couldn't figure it out in terms of writing it in terms of combinations. I thought it was kind of tricky and I should make it a free one.